How to combine two simple volume disks on Windows. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. Go ahead and open up this PC and right click on it. Then click on Show More Options and then go to Manage. Once you do that, your computer management will open up and then find Disk Management right here under Storage. As you can see here, I've got 3 disks here on my drive. So what I can do is if I want to merge these two at the very last, you just need to make sure the last disk is empty and there's no files in there. And then right click on it. Then you're going to have to go ahead and delete volume first. Click on yes. Now the volume will be deleted and it will be shown as an unallocated memory. Now, right click on the D drive and you'll have an option to extend volume. Click on it, keep tapping next, and then just enter the size of the volume that you want to extend it to and click on finish. And as you can see here, these two drives have successfully combined. So what I can do now is go to this PC and then I can only see 2 drives right here. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and I'll catch you guys on the next one.